treat life like you're sending a WhatsApp to a friend. Hey, are you coming out tonight? And you're expecting an answer. And if there is no answer, you start to prepare like a plan to get some revenge, right? But life is not like that. Hey, what about this? And life is taking, since he doesn't believe in time, it's taking his way. You know? And you know what? For now, I don't want to meditate anymore. And you prepare your revenge against life. And life is like, hey, I have the answer, but you know, I was waiting for the right time for you. And what is the right time? When you are in silence. When you are, sometimes we ask questions to life, but we're afraid of the answer. And we make a lot of noise. And you know the answer is there waiting for you. And you, no, la 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 la. Oh, I did the practice. La la.
I did it. That's enough.
Yeah. Like for example, I was in a retreat in La Graciosa with a Spanish group, and a girl said, you know, I'm asking life every week one question and it doesn't answer. So what question? And the question is my boyfriend the right person for me? And I said, just the fact of asking this, you already have the answer. Because if you are with somebody who you are really in love with, you don't ask that question. So imagine you are really in love with somebody. Do you take some time to say, is the right person? No, you don't even have time to think about it. Yeah? No? Okay, I see a lot of people who are activated right now. If you are asking that question to life, you already have the answer.